Good morning, friend. Today now we have to start one new lesson, that is chapter number 8, quadrilateral. So before we start quadrilateral, we have to understand the basic reference quadrilateral. So definition of quadrilateral, how quadrilateral is made. So basic information, if you will see here, there are 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4 points are there. Again here 4 points are there. Again here 1, 2, 3 and 4 points are there. Again here 1, 2, 3 and 4 points are there. So see that here they are in a one line. Note that if all points are collinear in the same line, we obtain a line segment. So here it is a line segment. Figure 8.1. It is pure text base. In textbook, your first page of chapter number 8. If 3 out of 4 points are collinear, so you will see that in second figure there are 3 points are collinear, we get a triangle. So here we have get a triangle. And if no 3 point of 4 are collinears, so here no 3 points are not collinear, only 2. So no 3 out of 4 points are collinear, we obtain a closed figure with 4 sides. We will name it A, B, C, D. Again A, B, C and D. We obtain a closed figure that is third and fourth. So both figure we can give name quadrilateral. Such a figure formed by joining 4 points in order is called quadrilateral. So definition of it. Figure which is joined of 4 points, but no out of 3 points are collinear. In this book we will consider only quadrilateral of this type, that is 8.1 third, but not given in fourth, because here it is a convex quadrilateral. So where diagonals are not intersect, that we already understand in 8th standard. Now we go for definition of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a geometrical figure which has 4 sides. So you have to remember 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertex and 2 diagonals. So 10 parts quadrilateral has. It's a question, how many parts? How many parts quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a geometrical figure which has 4 sides, 4 angles, 2 diagonals. So it has a 10 parts. The sum of all angle of quadrilateral is 360. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. How it is, that we will see in the maybe possible that in further slides we can see that how it is possible. So quadrilateral, definition of quadrilateral is a geometrical figure which has 4 sides, 4 angles, 4 vertex and 2 diagonals. Sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360. Why it is? Because it will be generate 2 triangle. So we know that sum of triangle is 180. Again sum of triangle is 180. That is why it is 360. The quadrilateral has 4 sides, again repeat, 4 angles and 4 vertex. So here there is a textual base. So name the side, 4 sides that I have to write AB, BC, CD and DA. These are all the 4 sides. 4 angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. 4 vertex, that is A, B, C and D. And 2 diagonal. Opposite point of vertex. If we join the opposite point of vertex, we can say it is a diagonal. So 2 diagonal, that is AC and BD. Now type of quadrilateral. type of quadrilateral, there are actually 6 types of quadrilateral. Trapezium, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square and kite. So there are total 6 types of quadrilateral. But all depend on parallelogram. So from parallelogram rectangle, parallelogram rhombus, parallelogram square. So first we go from the definition of trapezium. So it is a figure of trapezium. Figure of trapezium. So in trapezium, if you will give the name, that is A, B, C, D, then AB parallel to CD, AB parallel to CD. So only one pair is parallel. So we can say trapezium. In parallelogram, here it is a parallelogram. Cyclic name we have to go. 2 pair of parallel, that is AB parallel to CD and AD parallel to BC. So 2 pair are at here. While in here it is a rectangle. We have to discuss deeply in next slide. But basic information of rectangle. So it is a rectangle. In rectangle, angles are 90 degree and opposite pairs are equal. So here parallel. Again parallel, but it is a rectangle because 90 degree is there. Now here it is a rhombus. A, B, C and D. In rhombus, all 4 sides are equal. And in square, so maybe possible here we can use it also square we can. So we will deeply go on each slide related with the trapezium, parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square and kite. It is a basic information related the chapter. So first definition of, that is first topic is our trapezium. So in trapezium, if in a quadrilateral one pair of opposite sides are equal, then given quadrilateral is called trapezium. In the example above figure, AB is parallel to CD, then figure is, so AB parallel to CD. Simple trapezium, if in a quadrilateral one pair of opposite sides are equal, then given quadrilateral is called trapezium. In the above figure, AB is parallel to CD, then the figure is called trapezium. So taper shape it is called, so it is called trapezium. So that is first. Now we go for second, parallelogram. If, here it is if in a quadrilateral both the pair of opposite sides are parallel, here 2 pairs are parallel, that is AB parallel to CD and AC parallel to BD. So if in a quadrilateral both pair of opposite sides are parallel, then the given quadrilateral is parallelogram. Generally we can make a symbol like that and write it like we can, it is also called parallelogram. Again parallelogram is most important, it is used, here it is example. In the above figure, if AB is parallel to CD and AD is parallel to BC, then figure is called parallelogram. So it is a figure of parallelogram. 2 pairs, here both pair, or we can say 2 pair in parallelogram. Parallel and gram, parallel, from parallel we can say parallelogram. In trapezium only one pair is parallel. Now rectangle. If in a quadrilateral one of its angle is right angle, then quadrilateral one, again I repeat, if in a quadrilateral one of its angle is right angle, here we can say 90 degree, automatically all are 90, then it is called square. In the above figure, angle A is right angle, then the figure is called rectangle. In square what? A parallelogram whose one angle is right angle and all four sides are equal. So we have forgot to put here PPT or figure. So ABCD, it's a parallelogram. All four sides are equal and each angle are 90 degree. Each angle are 90. A parallelogram whose one angle is right angle and all other sides are equal, then it is called square. उसको क्या कहा जाएगा? We can say it is a square. In the above figure, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, and angle B is right angle. So we can say 90 degree of each. So first, that is trapezium. Afterward, parallelogram. Afterward, rectangle. Afterward, square. Now, rhombus. In a parallelogram, all sides are equal. Then parallelogram is rhombus. All four sides are only equal, not an angle. Then we can say it is a rhombus. In figure AB, in the above as an example, in the above figure, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Then it is a rhombus. And sixth, that is kite. In a quadrilateral, if two pair of adjacent sides are equal, you will see adjacent sides. In a quadrilateral, if two pair of adjacent sides are equal, then it is not a parallelogram, it is kite. When adjacent sides are equal, it is called kite. So here it is a pair also. So AB equal to AD, first pair, and BC equal to CD, second pair. So AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. Then it is called kite. So these are all the basic information related all different type of figure made from quadrilateral. Note, now it is important note, square, rectangle, rhombus are all type of parallelograms. Square, rectangle and rhombus are all type of parallelogram. Square is rectangle, also rhombus. Square is also called rectangle, it is also called rhombus. Why square has all four sides equal? Rhombus has also all four sides equal. Square has each 90 degree, rectangle has each 90 degree. Parallelogram is a trapezium. We can say parallelogram is a trapezium because parallelogram has two pair of parallel. Here only one pair. Kite is not a parallelogram. Trapezium is also not a parallelogram. As only one pair of opposite side is parallel in trapezium, we require both pair of parallel in parallelogram. Rectangle or rhombus is not a square always. Remember, rectangle or rhombus is not a square. So important point that you have to write in your fair book. Now some important theorem related with the quadrilateral. So we are discussing it here. Sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So already we have discussed in first slide. A, B, C and D. So angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Total is 360. Diagonal of parallelogram. If I do one diagonal of parallelogram divide into two congruent triangle. So it is a diagonal. Now there are two triangles. Always congruent. That we have the proof that we have to understand in the next slide. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So if we draw one parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. So here it is 5 centimeter, then again it is 5. Here it is 4 centimeter, then again it is 4. If each pair of opposite side of quadrilateral is equal, then it is a Parallelogram. In parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. We also noted this. A, B, C and D. Parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So if it is 100 at here, automatically C is also 100. If it is 80 at here, again it is 80 at here. If in a quadrilateral each pair of opposite angles is equal, then it is called parallelogram. So these are all the theorem that we have to learn in deeply when we have explained it. So it is pure textual based. All theorems are important. Just you have to understand it. What they want to say, क्या कहना चाहते हैं वो हमसे समझने का है. Diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other means divide into two equal part. It is called bisect. If the diagonal of quadrilateral bisect each other, it is parallelogram. Again, diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. One of the figure is at here. We can say if quadrilateral bisect each other, then we can say it is a parallelogram. A quadrilateral is parallelogram if a pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Already we have discussed. Line segment joining the midpoint of two sides of triangle parallel to third side. That is the last theorem that we have to discuss in next exercise. So if I line pass from there, we name it D and E, then DE parallel to BC. So these are also important theorem that is purely on text base. Now we have to go through the theorem 8.1 that we have to prove. Again in exam it should be, ये exam में आ सकता है कि prove that diagonal of parallelogram divide into two congruent triangles. So if you will see here triangle 1, triangle 2. But how we can prove, that is important for us. So what is given, that is generally according to the board rule, you have, when theorems are there, you have to write the given first, then to proof and figure. That is important for us. So half marks at here, half marks at here, half marks of figure, and 2.5 marks related with the proof. So what is given? ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is a diagonal, that is given. So up to that you have to write ABCD is a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram and ACB a diagonal. So diagonal AC divide the parallelogram AB into two triangles, namely triangle ABC and CBCD. To prove, what we have to prove? So that is given, ABCD is a parallelogram and AC is a diagonal. Diagonal AC divide the parallelogram AC into two triangles, that is ABC and CDA. To prove, that is second point, that is first. To prove triangles are congruent. So what I have to write? Triangle ABC congruence to triangle CD. That I have to write. Now from here proof. So in triangle ABC and triangle CDA, जो triangle को prove करने का है वही triangle को we have to write. Now what we have to? We know that BC parallel to AD and AC is a transfer. According to the parallelogram theory, BC parallel to AD. So BC parallel to AD and AC is a transversal line. So you will see that we can make a Z. यहाँ पे एक Z बनता है. So which angle we can say? Angle A. We can say angle, two angles may be for first. So BCA equal to DAC. BCA. So BCA equal to DCA. If I will name it one angle and here if I will say 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Why? Because of pair of alternate angle. or we can say here 2 and here it is 1. So BCA is equal to DAC, that is for 1 generally we can write. Now AB parallel to CD, second figure. So second time what we have to write, first I have to rub this so you can understand it properly. So in first we have proved that angle 1 is angle 2. Now AB parallel to, so here AB parallel to CD, and AC is again transversal line. AC is again transversal line. Now BAC, so we can name 3 and 4. BAC, so 4, or here we can give 3 and here we can give 4. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why? Pair of alternate angle, that is second. So two triangles already we have, that is ABC and CDA. Triangle ABC, and if I will DAC, ABC, triangle ABC and triangle CDA. So if you will see that what the angles are equal, angle 1 with angle 2, angle 3 with angle 4, and AC is a common. AC is common in both. So if I will write C at here and D at here, then AC is equal to common. AC is common, two angle again, first C and A. C and A is equal, and A and C again. If you will see the figure properly, two triangles already we have generated. In two triangles, AC is common, and angles, that is symbolically already at here, is equal. So angle side angle criteria, we say that two triangles are congruent. So diagonal AC divide parallelogram ABCD into two triangle ABC and CDA. Now we have to start exercise 8.1. Angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 3, ratio 5, ratio 9, ratio 13. Find the all angles of quadrilateral. So whenever angle is there, we have to assume as a x. So four angles are there. Angle A, we can take 3x. Angle B, we can take 5x. Angle C, we can take 9x. Angle D, we can take 13x. So if we will add this, 3x plus 5x plus 9x equal to 360. So if I will total it, we can get 30x is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 by 30, that we can get 12. So first angle is 36. Here angle A, that is 3 into 30. 3 into 12, sorry. 3 into 12. So that is 36. Angle B, that is 5 into 12, that is 60. Angle C, that is 9 into 12, 108. And angle D, 13 into 12, that is 156. So we have got all four angle. So that type of questions asked in exam. So sum of angle of four angle is quadrilateral. We can easily understand. And when this lecture is completed, you have to also complete your fair book, that is 8.1 you have to complete in your fair book. Now question number 2. If the diagonals are parallel, these are all the proof. So logically we can develop our logic by listening such type of video. If the diagonal of parallelogram are equal, then show that it is a rectangle. Diagonal of parallelogram are equal. So first of all we have to prove this. These two diagonals are equal, we have to prove. So we can take two triangles. ABCD is a parallelogram with AC is equal to BD. if diagonal of parallelograms are equal. So AC is equal to BD. That is given. To prove ABCD is a rectangle. So rectangle means what I have to prove? I have to prove 90 degree. And opposite sides are equal. So I have to take two triangles here. Triangle ABC. So if you will see the triangle A, triangle A, triangle A, B, C, and triangle B. So we have to write it here, B, D at here, A at here, and B at here. Again it is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. So AB is equal to AB, that is common. Diagonal is given equal. Diagonals are given equal. AB is equal, that is common. AC is equal to BD. Diagonals are equal. So diagonal AC is equal to BD. And AC is equal to AD. Opposite sides of parallelogram are also equal. So by SSS criteria, we can say this: these two triangles are similar. When triangles are similar, its corresponding part means angle A is equal to angle B. So angle ABC is equal to angle BAD according to the Cbse. Now we know that, but ABC plus BAD is equal to 180 because it is an interior angle pair. It is an interior angle pair. So sum of two angles is 180. So angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. So 180 divided by 2, that is 90. So angle here it is also 90. Here it is also 90. So parallelogram with one of its angle is 90 degree. We can say it is a rectangle. A parallelogram with one of its angle is 90 degree. We can say it is a rectangle. Now third, there are 12 figures are here. So we go for now third, but okay, that is sufficient. 30-minute lecture is already completed. So in next lecture we go for question number 3.